Hey guys, welcome back. This is Shubham and you're watching Wrestling Battle. Friends, we are 13 days behind from one of the best pay-per-view in the history of WWE, and that is Royal Rumble. Friends, one of the best part of each Royal Rumble match is the possibility of surprise returns, and the 2021 edition of this show could be chock full of big names making a triumphant comeback. So here are the possible surprise returns fans that should be looking for during the 2021 Royal Rumble. So friends, please watch this video till the end and please subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell as well, so that you can get the notification of every video that I am going to upload in this channel. So friends, let's start this video. The WWE Universe has not seen Brock Lesnar since he lost the WWE Championship to Drew McIntyre at last year's COVID-impacted WrestleMania. Amid question about whether the Beast Incarnate is even employed by the company, his status for this year's Royal Rumble is unknown. What is certain though is that if his music hits, fans everywhere will mark out. If Lesnar does surprise the WWE Universe by entering the Men's Royal Rumble, he will do serious damage and instantly be a favorite to win. He deserves to be victorious at the Royal Rumble as the biggest star in the business, but he doesn't need the achievement. Instead, Brock Lesnar should be eliminated by the man he will face at WrestleMania 37. While fans instantly think about the possibility of Brock Lesnar squaring off with the Roman Reigns against due to his association with Paul Heyman, the more interesting storyline is the McIntyre beating Goldberg earlier in the night and coming down to the ring to cause the Beast a win. McIntyre vs Lesnar again would be a rematch worthy of the WrestleMania stage. So here's my question to you everyone, that who should be the opponent for Brock Lesnar at WrestleMania 37? Please let me know in the comment section. Is that Roman Reigns or Drew McIntyre? Friends, one of the biggest possible surprises would be WWE signing former Impact Wrestling World Champion Tessa Blanchard and booking her to win the Women's Royal Rumble in her first match in the company. Tessa Blanchard has been a free agent since she and Impact Wrestling parted ways earlier this year, and rumors have run rampant about whether WWE, All Elite Wrestling or another company would attempt to sign her. While Blanchard's wrestling credentials are not in doubt, she was accused of bullying and racism from a number of former colleagues in January 2020. Blanchard denied the allegation, and she would be the first WWE employee to have faced similar accusation. Despite the potential controversy, Blanchard's ability between the ropes makes her capable of walking in and instantly challenging for a women's title at WrestleMania or being involved in a possible dream matchup with any WWE top women. So guys, do you want to see Tessa Blanchard at Royal Rumble 2021 or to win 2021's Royal Rumbles? Please let me know in the comment section.
This is my brutality!
Friends, there were already rumors that Rhea Ripley was destined for a spot on the main roster, but instead of letting her debut during a meaningless episode of Raw or SmackDown, she should be a surprise entry in the Women's Royal Rumble 2021 match. Not only should the Australian be a surprise entrant, but she should also shock the world and cement her status as a top star in the division by walking away victorious. At only 24 years old, Rhea Ripley is one of the brightest stars in the business and has been a highlight of NXT programming since making the jump to the United States. At Royal Rumble 2021, she should dominate the field by amazing the most eliminations. Once Rhea Ripley makes it to the final 4 participants, she should eliminate the other women one by one until she is the last person standing. The Marquez victory would ensure the WWE Universe considers her a serious threat to win a championship at WrestleMania 37. So friends, this is all about from this video. This is all about from myself from this video. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video. I hope guys you like this video, and please smash the like button. Friends, we will meet in the next video. For now friend, take care of family, take care of yourself. Bye bye friend, thank you for watching this video.